Coach, how are you feeling about the decision is taking too long?
I'm not very optimistic about it. Obviously, I want it to happen. I want it to be reversed. Extremely surprised. My reaction was one of I didn't know why I got the yellow card. It was a situation where I was, after the goal, the ball fell into my hands and I was basically being attacked by a player. Obviously I get the ball away and then the guy hits me in the face and suddenly I'm getting booked for it.